In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name. This is a quick and easy process that you can complete in just a few minutes, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Shopify. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Once you've made your way there, the next step is to log in to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this using your usual login details. It's important to remember that you need to be an admin or have the appropriate permissions to make changes to the store's settings. Now that you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you will be presented with various options to adjust the settings for your Shopify store. From here, your next task is to click on General. You can find this under the Settings menu, and it should be prominently placed for ease of access. Moving right along, you'll want to locate the section labeled Store Details. In this section, you'll see your current store name. This part of the admin panel offers a summary of your basic store information, including the name, which we're going to change today. Now, let's go ahead and make that change. Look for the Edit button or a pencil icon next to the store name. This icon will allow you to modify the store details, including updating the store name to whatever new name you have in mind. Click on that icon, and you'll be able to type in your new store name. It's a good idea to double-check your spelling and make sure that the new name reflects the branding and image you wish to project. Once you've entered your new store name, it's crucial to save this change. Look for the Save button, often located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking Save will confirm the changes and update your store name across your Shopify account. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your Shopify store name. Remember, this change is essential for ensuring your branding stays relevant and appealing to your audience. Thanks for following along with this guide, and I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand.